Dear friends, at this given point of political climate surrounding the Parliament and the Supreme Court, many debates and discussions are going on, which is supreme, either Parliament or the Supreme Court. The answer is neither the Supreme Court nor the Parliament, but the Constitution of India is supreme in all respects. What is the correct position? The correct position is this. In India, the Constitution is supreme and it's a fundamental law of the land, and all the laws and actions must be consistent with it. Under the constitutional schemes of things, none is above and none is below, whether it is the President of India, the Prime Minister of India, or Ambani or Adani, and ordinary citizens, and in the eyes of law, all are equal without any discrimination of any sort. No doubt that the Parliament can amend the Constitution under Article 368 of the Indian Constitution. What is important is this. While the Parliament has the power to make laws, these laws are subject to judicial review because the Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution, and it has the power to interpret the Constitution and to invalidate laws that are deemed unconstitutional. We have seen that under Article 360 of the Indian Constitution, the Parliament is empowered to amend the Constitution. But in the KESAVAMDA BHARATI case of 13 members constitutional bench, the Supreme Court in a majority decision has held that the basic structure of the Indian Constitution shall not be altered by amendment even by the Parliament, like democracy, secularism, rule of law, federalism, and many other things have been quoted by the Supreme Court of India, that these things shall not be altered even by the constitutional amendment under Article 368 of the Indian Constitution. This is the legal position. What is important is this. The Indian Constitution is interpreted and safeguarded by the judiciary when there is a controversy between the parliamentary supremacy and judicial supremacy. The judicial's review power protects the Constitution. Hence, even in the Ayodhya verdict of the 5 members constitutional bench of the Supreme Court of India, it was held in 2019 that the verdict was not accepted by all, but while it was the final verdict of the Supreme Court of India, whether it is correct or not, all the citizens of this country, including the Muslims, have accepted the verdict, and this Prime Minister of India has given applause to the Ayodhya verdict. But we have reservations on Ayodhya matter, but we have to accept the verdict of the Supreme Court of India in the larger interest of the unity and integrity of India and maintaining communal harmony in India. It is a final matter. Hence, under this video, we put forth that the Supreme Court is the guardian of the Constitution, and the powers, that is constitutional authorities, should not speak anything against the Constitution, but they can criticize the Supreme Court verdict, but in a right spirit and right manner. They should abide by the Constitution of India and the Supreme Court verdict. This is the message of this video. Thank you so much.